You're locked in, feeling powerless, and then couple days into the being locked in, you hear the sounds, you hear the wind, you hear the water, you see the water coming in, and the only thing you can do is pray.
Oh God, I know what's up. I know what's up. My whole
This
shop
is new
gone.
video tonight from a local man who has family in Jamaica, showing close up the damage left behind from that monster hurricane. This used to be someone's shop. Melissa is stronger hurricane by pressure to make landfall in the Atlantic since records began. We're also seeing the new view from the air of all the homes damaged or destroyed in one Jamaica parish. Many roofs are missing, roofs and debris scattered everywhere. A lot of families will have to completely rebuild where the eye came ashore.
And this is more video from that same area. You can see just how fast the water was rushing in. And here's a live satellite look of Melissa tonight as it moves into the Bahamas. NBC's reporting at least 36 people have died so far across Jamaica, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic.
Tonight, Gulf Coast News reporter Kendall Brandt is here. She spoke to one church leader in Kingston who witnessed the devastation firsthand.
I spoke with Father Rohan Tolek, who tells me the need for food is dire on the west end of the island. A Jamaican chef I met with today is working from the Gulf Coast to bring help to his hometown hit hard by Hurricane Melissa.
We have elderly that, lost their houses, lost their roof, nowhere to turn. Yes, we're going to get support from the government, but when?
That's one of many questions going through Chef Omar Clark's mind.
God, man.
His family sent him these videos from Jamaica near where Melissa made landfall.
I'm a native of St. James, and the hurricane destroyed multiple houses. Like 60% of the houses in my community got damaged.
Through contacts on the ground, he has been able to make sure his family made it through the destruction.
Oh God, what's that now?
I was able to reach Father Rohan Tolek with the Jamaica Outreach Program, who tells me the situation on the ground is devastating.
In Black River, it's like everything is on the road. The roofs are gone. There's nothing standing on the streets. Pier debris and police walking around.
He is in Kingston, but says the impact to the western side of the island will leave people hungry.
That side of the island is really the bread basket. So we get a lot of our produce from that side of the island. A lot of farmers, a lot of farms are there.
That's why Clark and his daughter are raising money for people in his hometown.
Anything counts because, like my grandparents would say, every nickel make a muckle. So, and that's a Jamaican term that we use back home. We're just, trying to pick up the pieces and see if we can move forward and help as much people we can.
Local nonprofit Everyone Has a Story is also collecting canned goods and hygiene supplies at their downtown Jackson Street location. The Jamaica Outreach Program also accepts monetary donations online. We will have all of that information for you on the Gulf Coast News app under News Links.